Hi viewers, welcome to the SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial, we discuss on the topic is how to create responsive navbar. What we discuss on today, how to create responsive navbar using Bootstrap. This is the collapsible navbar. You can resize the window. It will be showing that this is the responsive navbar, collapsing navbar also. This is the navbar. You can minimize this window. It can be hide, open and close. Okay. Today in this tutorial, I will explain how to create this collapsing navbar using Bootstrap. Before going to example, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tools like SEO, SMO, SMM. Completely free web technologies and digital marketing tools provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I'm going to example what we discuss on today, how to create this collapsible navbar using Bootstrap. Okay, this is the brackets editor. This is the basic HTML structure. Here I am calling only Bootstrap libraries. I'm not to write anything here. Just I am creating a CSS file. I'm not to write anything. Here I am write do now class navbar do class do class navbar header button type button class navbar toggle data toggle collapse data target span class icon bar. Okay, next here after the button I create a class navbar brand href this is the actual logo SHS Tech Solutions. Okay, now so check the output. This is the output. This is the actually logo. After this div and let div class now div class collapse Okay, next that is equal to my name. Okay, UL class nav navbar nav so we'll take the output. This is the output. Next I will write some CSS for this. Once we can check it here. Once I will write the small CSS for this. Actually here navbar inverse. Suppose we can I'm adding the class navbar inverse. We can check it. This is the class navbar inverse background color change. Here we can resize the window. It will be automatically adjustable. Okay, you can resize it. This is the collapsible navbar. I'm writing the small CSS for this. Zero padding 0. Dark sky blue color white. So we'll check the output. Here I am calling this CSS file. This is the output. Border radius 0px. Important. Okay. Next. Okay. So guys, background color is white. So guys, this is the process to write the collapsible navbar. So guys, this is the process to write the collapsible navbar using Bootstrap. I hope we all understand how to create this collapsible navbar using Bootstrap. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.